Reliability improvement has been around, heck, I guess forever, ever since machines were built. We've always been trying to build better machines and make them more reliable. Many models out there of how to go about improving reliability. This is one of them, the wheel of progress, and it's an 8-step activity. What are the opportunities to improve? So we're looking at failures in the historical failures. Which ones do we wish to remove? Pick the opportunities, find the root causes, develop solutions, select the solutions that are going to work, test them in some sort of pilot trial. If it's good, we implement. If it's not good, we go back to here and look at a better solution, implement that and monitor. Get the data to prove the intention is actually being delivered. Nothing magical, all very straightforward stuff. So we're not going to change that intent. We're just perhaps going to say, is it effective? Is this style of approach effective? Because what that leads to is additional activities the plant needs to do, where the plant has its own processes and its own work requirements. If we're going to use a reliability improvement process, we then have to gather the data, build off that information into our choices, do the analysis, choose the application, test it, implement it. So we end up having another loop that the plant has to run with. This is what most companies do. They actually introduce this additional reliability improvement loop in their business, and over time they work this loop and work this loop and work this loop, improving things as they go along. So the model works. The trouble that I find is it just takes an awful lot of time. So yeah, this is another way of seeing that. Here's the rat race, as I call it, the world that we never win in. Always a headless chicken place, and it goes on year after year, breakdown after breakdown. We just can't get over that hump. So we do a change program, an improvement program. Most companies focus on maintenance, thinking maintenance is the answer, and they'll do planning, better planning, have a look and do condition monitoring, buy thermography cameras, buy vibration analyzers, send guys to training, build a bigger group, and of course find the root cause, which we do. We'll find the root cause. We'll make sure the maintenance is being done, because if we don't do the maintenance, the parts will break down. So yeah, the right things are being done, except 2 years go by, 3 years go by. Eventually the operation gets better because things are more reliable. Then we can begin analysing things scientifically, but by then it's 4 or 5 years down the track, and so the whole thing takes a long, long time. We'll get there. And that's how the guys that were dogs got there today. They rolled the wheel of progress until it eventually got on where they wanted to go. But it took a long time. That's the typical approach. Nothing wrong with it, but I reckon there's a better way. I'd be challenging everybody, is there a better way? Because if there's a better way that makes it happen sooner, let's get on with it.